Hello there, welcome to another edition of Blisstech Solutions Tuesday Tech Tip, and this tech tip is a really quick but useful one. We've all been there, we've all been browsing in Google or in Edge, and we've closed a tab that we wanted to keep open and then perhaps it's gone for good. Well, this tip is going to show you how to quickly reopen that tab you just closed. Okay, so we're in Microsoft Edge and we have several tabs open, and we might close it in, on purpose or just click the wrong one accidentally, and then that tab's gone. I think, I don't know if you're anything like me, I like to keep tabs open so I know exactly what I'm working on. It reminds me to do things. Well, if you do that, all is not lost. There are other ways of getting these back by going into history and recently closed tabs, but if you just want to reopen the tab that you just closed, simply press the Control key, the Shift key and the T, and the tab you just had open will automatically reopen. And there you are. Nice and simple tip for you. I hope you find it useful. I'll see you again next time.